Well, that could be the end of it right there. What's going on, everybody? Cortland here with Cronk Grow Nutrients, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. This marks the first episode ever of our new segment called High Tech. With High Tech, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over the latest and greatest tech that's available in the cannabis industry. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So what we're going to be unboxing today is the new Mighty Plus from Storz and Bickel. Haven't owned one of these before, so we're super excited to start using one of these. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please comment below and hit the thumbs up. So first, let's dive into this box here. Big shout out to Storz and Bickel. Great company. We actually have their Volcano as well that we like to use on the daily. We've got the Volcano Hybrid, great machine. You know, it's a tank. I expect nothing less with this product here. Let me tear this plastic off first. So it comes with a little bit of plastic on top of it there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna rip that right off. Kind of looks and feels like that Apple box, you know, that phone box feel. You've got the sticker at the top here to ensure that it's been sealed and hasn't been tampered with. So on the back here, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll do a closer up shot of this. So basically it comes with 3 filters one size, 3 filters another size, 3 O-rings for sealing. One of the, it looks like quick fill chambers, 1 brush to clean it out, and then you have your charger down below, which I believe is USB-C, which would be sweet. Yes, it is USB-C. It says down here in the bottom, and made in Germany. Well, here is the front of the box here. So again, I've never used one of these, so I'm gonna grab a knife. And where is it? This isn't really a knife, but I found something. Okay, and we're gonna need some product to test this out in. So we're gonna be using some MK Ultra. All right. So let's see here. Let's crack this open. Ready for this? Ready for this? Let's crack this open. I think that's a little exposed there. Look at this. Boom. Probably gonna cut my finger open. Oh yeah, there we go. We're in. Give it the sniff test. Man, new boxes smell amazing. So you get 1-year warranty. So on the top you have a 1-year warranty card that says Storz and Bickel. On the back you get a little quick start guide. It shows you how to start it up in 7 easy steps. First it says you got to plug this in. I hope I don't have to plug it in right away. And it shows you how to clean the device as well. So you get this little manual, a little quick start guide, and then you get the product itself right underneath of all that. Look at that. Look at that. Well, that could be the end of it right there. That just fell off my table. Let me go grab that. Really testing out that Germany-made quality product here. And there is not a dent or scratch on it, so that's good. So you get the product right there on the top. Let's hold this in. So it just sits in there like that. I'll do another video here so you guys can see it close up. But kind of looks like the older one. A little bit of changes onto it. What else is in the box here? We've got a charger here. Again, it is USB-C, which is sweet, so it will charge with any other devices. And then you have those filters down at the bottom of the screens. And then you have that one fill capsule there. And it looks like there's some other stuff down at the bottom here. And it looks like there's a bigger manual down at the bottom underneath the plastic tray. On the back you have the Mighty Plus, and then on the front again you have your dials and your piece. So again, you guys are gonna have to bear with me here because I've never used one of these before. I don't know what everything is at the bottom, but I do see there is a little piece for this. Not sure what that is. I'll figure it out in a minute though. Then you've got your mouthpiece right here, and that just, I thought that was gonna do this, but it actually just rotates out that way. And then you have your, all right, we're gonna have to use a quick start guide here. Let's see. Quick start manual. Okay, so this just goes on like this right here. So just twist off, and that's where your chamber's at right there. See that? See the chamber? Okay, so that's your chamber there, and it just rotates back on, and now you have it filled. So I wonder if that's how you fill it, because what's this part here? Can you fill it like this? Okay, so you get a little bit more airflow, I'm assuming, from doing that. This is the best part right here. Ready? Some ASMR here. Ooh, that's the best. Okay, let's close that up. Yeah, I'm not sure what that does. So again, we're gonna be taking some MK Ultra. Let's take some of this MK Ultra. Check that out, MK Ultra. See that? See that? Oh yeah, look at that. And our Mr. Smooth grinder. A little biased, but I think they're the best grinders out there. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that. Ooh, falling. Oh, that was a big piece. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just taking this filling chamber. I'm gonna scoop some herb in here. Herb. If you guys like these style videos, let me know, because I love doing these style videos. I used to have an old YouTube channel called Tech Reviews back in 2011, and should have kept that going, but different story for a different day. So see how it comes with like two different style grates or like filters. So one of the thicker filter goes in this one right here, and then you have actually a filter down at the bottom of this guy too, right here. So we're gonna take the pod and we're gonna put it right into here. Okay, so put that in there. We're gonna take this, we're gonna close this, get the mouthpiece open. I feel like, all right, and we're gonna turn this on. Whoa, it vibrates. Do you hear that? Vibrated. All right, so we're gonna heat it up to 185. Was the preset temp on there? 185. So it's actually heating up pretty quick. You can see it there now. Takes a little longer than the volcano, I think, but not too much longer. All right, let's see. We're at 120, 121, 125, 150, 150. I like too, while this is heating up, I like too how compact this is. I mean, here's my Mighty, here's my phone. My phone is actually bigger than the Mighty. If you're side-by-siding them, my phone's taller and wider than this Mighty. So that's pretty cool. All right, we're at 185 now. The outside of the device, oh, it vibrates to let you know that it's ready. That's cool. So the outside of the device doesn't feel warm at all, which is nice. Some machines that I've had in the past, they get pretty hot on the outside. You can't even tell this thing's on. And all right. That was one mighty haul, holy smokes. That works, it works well, that's for sure. Okay, let's do another one. Let's close this and see what happens, because I had this open. Because this part right here, right there, it like opens and closes. So, that really slaps back, eh? Holy smokes. Wow, okay. Maybe 185 is a little hot for this guy. So I think this part right here, if I'm not mistaken, I think that is just a different air valve. So basically to let more or less air in there when you are smoking to allow for more smoke. So let's see, let's test that. So I've got the valve open right now, so let's see how much smoke comes out. Quite a bit. Okay, let's close it up. I would say around the same. So maybe just leave that open when you're not using it. Oh, that's kind of cool. I just noticed that. Excuse me, guys. So on top of this part right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of like holographic, and it has their logo all in like etched in there. Kind of cool. Guys, the quality of this thing is phenomenal. I don't think I'll smoke any other way, realistically. Like, it's literally like having a mini volcano in your pocket, which is pretty sweet. The detail on it, the grip that they have on it, the fact that the chamber doesn't get hot. I definitely rate this, you know, a 10 out of 10 for vape. I would say this is hands down probably the best handheld vaporizer out there. Now I'm being a little biased right now because I have it in my hand, but I definitely recommend these if you can get your hands on them, because I know they're sold out everywhere right now. The pods definitely are the way to go for these. We use them in the volcano too, but I like this feature too, like how it goes. See how it just kind of nicely tucks away, and then you can just swivel it out. Like, that's super cool. And then to empty it, you just boom, take this chamber off, and then boom, that's it. And it's still clean on the inside. That's the nice thing about this. So there's no herb actually touching any of the device itself. so it allows for a nice clean experience. And to turn it off, boom, and it vibrates. I'm gonna run a little clip for you guys to showcase this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you guys like this style of video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, comment below, because I love doing these type of videos and I'd love to feature more companies in the cannabis space on our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.